Binge eating disorder represents the most common eating disorder in the United States, affecting millions of individuals. This condition is characterized by recurrent episodes of eating large quantities of food, often quickly and to the point of discomfort. The episodes are typically accompanied by feelings of loss of control and are not followed by purging behaviors seen in other eating disorders. BED goes beyond occasional overeating. It is a serious psychological condition that can significantly impair physical and mental health. People with BED often use food as a way to cope with stress, depression, or anxiety, but the relief is temporary and is quickly replaced by feelings of guilt and shame.